Hello, this is Ryan Johnson, and I am gonna show you the most cutest dogs of YouTubers. So first we got Evie of Owie A, and she's so cute. She's a King Charles Spaniel, and she's like this big. She's just the cutest thing we've ever seen. Next is Sunday of Jack's Films. Sunday is a toy American Eximo. It's really furry but cute. Next we got Teddy of Nigahiga, which is a corgi. Next we got Cooper, which is adorable golden retriever owned by Team Martin. And next we got Edgar is a pug owned by PewDiePie. Next we got Flash of Roman Atwood. Flash is a Siberian Husky, and he has one green eye and one blue eye. As you see, my eyes are bluish green. Well, that's normal. Next we got Matt of I Just Skiing. He's a multi-poo, which means he's half Maltese and half poodle. And next we got Finn. I'll show you. Finn. Finn, get back here. Finn is a hound mix, and he's owned by me. And that's all we got, people. You can tell me which one is your favorite in the comments below. Please subscribe. Bye.